guess winter's on the way. What are you gonna do? I'll tell you, man, if I lived down in Florida, I would definitely be into motorcycles a lot more. I would definitely be into them more. But, you know, moving down there and actually, you know, talking about it and actually doing it is two different things. So, you know, you got to make the best of what you have here, I guess. Gotta stop complaining and get busy living. I hate this turn. Maniac on the loose. Bad road to speed on, I'll tell you that. Not a very good idea. This road here has a lot of police on it. This is where they make their meat and potatoes off of. There's a lot of police on this road, man, and this is 19. US 19. I guess I'm not gonna go. See, that's all you got to do to flip this into neutral. And a lot of guys, they have a hard time. Just rev it a little, man. That's all you got to do. It's the way the transmission is. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to order the leather. Leather's like 80 bucks for this, for the seat. And then I need a few leather stamping tools. I have no leather tools whatsoever. You know, so I'm figuring probably about another 50 bucks for the tools, maybe another $30 for the tools. The dye is nothing, you know, the dye is nothing. I can't believe it, man. I only saw one motorcycle on the road. And I was at trike back there in the park. Almost all SUVs, man. Look at this left lane here. It's all SUVs. Almost every single vehicle is an SUV. Unbelievable. You know, what I have to do is I have to get a bigger SD card, man. I'm using a 32 gigabyte SD card. And they'll record for up to 17.5 minutes. I need like a 64 gigabyte one. Alright, let's pick this up a little bit on the road.